Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You want to use DeepSeek but you're having trouble logging in. It's super frustrating. But don't worry, let's walk through some quick solution. First, let's start with the basic. You can check again your email address or your password is correct or not. If you still cannot log in, you can try forgot the password. When you click forgot the password, you need to fill in your email address and DeepSeek will send you a code to reset your password. If you still cannot log in, you can try login with Google right here. Okay, now I can log in. If you still cannot log in, you can try to delete your cookie. You can delete your cookie here. After you delete your cookie, it should be work normally. If everything not work for you, I have a suggest. You can try Perplexity AI. You can go perplexity.ai. After that, you choose Reasoning with R1. Reasoning with R1 is DeepSeek new model hosted in US. I already tried this and I haven't seen any issue like servers busy or cannot log in or some issue like that. It's very smooth to use. I can try something here. You see, Perplexity AI use DeepSeek model very fast and smooth. Don't have any server issue like original DeepSeek. So hopefully this solution can help you back in your track. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.